Hello guys, it's me Jian and welcome to my vlog. This is a how-to channel and also a daily vlog of my life as a humanitarian aid worker. And today I'm going to teach you how to window shop. First tip, when window shopping, we will not spend any money at all. So we can use all our senses, touch, smell, feel, even taste sometimes, but we're not gonna spend a single cent. And another tip is be nice, courteous, and kind to the salespeople so that they will allow us to linger inside their shop. So let's begin. Hello? Buy two, get one, get two free. Oh, okay, great. Do you have a tester of the cotton candy? Do you have this one? Do you have a perfume for that one? None? And this is your tester for this? Tester? Good. Black cherry. And how much is that? Yeah. Dirhams, dollars. I'm in Dubai International Airport, by the way. So here's another trick, guys. You just do some random zigzag inside the shop and then you slowly try to get out without the salesperson noticing you. Okay, let me just check here first.
You will get 5% discount
This one?
for the full price.
This is also 50?
Sorry?
50?
No, this one is like, of course,
I mean, how much is it in dirhams?
150. but that's
150.
5%.
Thank you. Here's another tip. If I could have testers, I'll use the testers. And then if I can have free food, then why not? Or free taste, then why not? Next tip I'm going to tell you is when you're shopping, read the labels as well if you're window shopping. This makes you look like you're interested and you're about to buy something. I would sometimes bend my knees and look at the bottom just to look like I'm interested and searching for something. So that's it, guys. That's how you window shop. You just walk out of the store barehanded, buying nothing at all, but your senses experience lots of things. And that's it. Bye bye. See you on my next vlog. Please like, share, subscribe, and even comment down below. Bye bye.